Good morning everyone. This is Manas Ranjan Raut welcoming to all of you to our channel Online MB Classes. We are creating a new vlog with the help of my friend Maheshwar. We are trying to deliver you in all subjects, the lessons in English and science as well as mathematics. We are going to mention all those things in a systematic and in a significant way. In today's class, this teacher, this Manas sir is going to meet all of your expectation with a loose heart. In today's topic, we are taking spoken English. We just need to learn what is English and how spoken can be achieved. Okay. For this learning process, I am adding that I have also another channel Manas sir EduBlog. Whenever you can subscribe that channel to learn various English classes. Okay, my dear viewers, whenever you can express what you are speaking about and express that in numbers, then you know something about that. But when you can't express that in numbers, then you don't know anything. That's why we have to acquire, we have to adopt, we have to insect the both skills, both qualitative and quantitative approach. This is the complete scientific analysis how this spoken English can be achieved at a rapid pace. केमती आमे पूरा हृदय सहकारे आमे स्पोकन इंग्लिश पढ़ी परिबा तो एई ऑनलाइन एमबी क्लासेस आ मानस सर एजु ब्लॉग को आपण माने फॉलो कले निश्चित भाव रे तार सिस्टमैटिक अप्रोच आपण माने को भलो लागियो बोली आमे आशा करूछु. सो डोंट बी लेट, लेट्स स्टार्ट द स्किल्स as it's a language one. It should be more imaginative. The more we think, the more we create the notion how to learn English in a confident way. केमती गोटे इंटरेस्टिंग वे रे आमे इंग्लिश लर्न करि परिबा. आमे जानि जंती इंग्लिश हैज 4 skills, that is LSRW: listening, speaking, reading and writing. We are analyzing the skills step by step, one by one. Sequentially, LSW should be followed, L should be followed fast. जेमती आमे कहूतले मदर टंग ओडिया रे आमे जेहेतु आमे बहुत दिन सुनिला परे then we are started speaking our mother tongue. That's why it's not a foreign language for us, because we have sufficient exposure. Okay, when speaking task we have to make ensure, then we have a lot more exposure. We have near about 1400 above words in Odia. Likely in case of English we have to think, we have to coincide the method. That means we have to follow listening first, but we are adopting the wrong methods. We are following reading and writing first. We are we give emphasis on writing the letters A. First we are giving stress to this to our child. And another wrong things we are deciding, we are having a false notion. That is, we are आमे जानिछन जे आमे भाबिबा हमको ग्रामर, we have to give more stress to grammar rather to develop the listening skill, rather to be confident. We are having जे इंग्लिश रे ग्रामर जानिछि तो सीए होछि सबटारो इंग्लिश रे गोटे बड़ नॉलेजेबल पर्सन, बट दैट्स कंप्लीटली रॉन्ग. प्रथमे आमे कोन जानिबा जतबेले गोटे पिलाटे कहूछि मु चा पीबी, से तो चा पाखरे पीबीटा फर्म हेटा क्रिया बोली जानि नै, से कहूछि कि मु चा जाउछि, मु चा पीबी. That's the fact of the exposure. So similarly in case of English we have to decide that it's not a foreign language, it's the second language. To some extent those students who are interfering in CBSE and ICSE mediums, they are getting the exposure like the first language, the mother tongue. What is a mother tongue? We need to understand. Where we are having a lot more exposure in listening our surrounding enchants in that particular language. That's our mother tongue. But we know that English is internationally accepted. In today's market, this market is undergoing through globalized market. This is our globalization period. Globalization, and in international communication, English is international communication. English is a library language. Everywhere it is accepted. It's a medicinal language. It is a scientific language. Wherever we go, we are having a system to learn in English. आमे देखुचंदी जेकोनोसी प्रोडक्ट वी नो द बटल, दिस इज शार्प, दिस इज बटम, दिस इज पेन. These things are known in our unknown state, but we are not confident that this is a English word. So dear viewers, we know a lot more words before we are going to learn English. आमको प्रथम से कॉन्फिडेंट हवा पड़ो हाउ मच वर्ड्स वी आर हैविंग विथ अस. देखिबा आमे चेयर टाको मेजर कहंती बोली केतटा लोक जानछन्ती. फैन पंखा कहंती बोली केतटा लोक जानछन्ती. टीवी, रिमोट, every word. This is blackboard, this is chalk. We never trying to find out the Odia of these words. So এই সব ওয়ার্ডস গুড়িকু আমকু জানিবাকু পড়িব. Yes, we have this much of knowledge. Our capacity to exposure more and more words, this would give us confidence. We just by what we think we are capable of doing, while others judge us what we have already done. We have already acquired so many things in English. So dear viewers, each and everyone can able to speak English if he has that much of confidence. He should utilize his sufficient exposure, and we have to follow, we have to find out the chances, and we have to create opportunity, because opportunity is always missed by every people. We have to find out the opportunity where, as and when, wherever we may go, we have to find out the opportunity to speak ourselves in English with the presence of mistakes. आमको तो गोटे बहुत किसी कहबार अच्छी, ठीक करिवार अच्छी, ग्रामर जानिबार अच्छी. These are the wrong notions. From today we are getting the knowledge that English is a easy language. English is the easiest language. What are the process? What are the procedures we have to follow to improve our English knowledge? In front of you, I have scientifically analyzed a lot more things that I am going to describe you in a short span of time. That is exposure, use and context, and how knowledge can be achieved. देखिबा हमें एटी इंग्लिश को आमे देखिबा. फॉर मी इंग्लिश इज देखिबा आमे देखिथिबा जो हमर सारेगामापा रे जतबेले हिमेश रेशमिया जतबेले कमेंट दियंती सुपर फैंटास्टिक आउटस्टैंडिंग माइंड ब्लोइंग हिस्टोरिक. ऑलवेज आमे एटा लिसन करंती. आमे किंतु केते कथा कहि दउची, केते इंग्लिश रो कहि दउची. तो इंग्लिश इज जस्ट सुपर fantastic, outstanding, mind blowing, overwhelming, unprecedented, dynamic, energetic, invigorating, spectacular, fabulous, fantabulous language for us. So in this method, if we keep on repeating, if we keep on practicing, habit is the second nature. So we have to make use of these words again and again. Wherever we have a chance to speak, we have to motivate. We have to motivate, we have to encourage, we have to use. If we don't, पहले इस्तेमाल करो फिर विश्वास करो. जेमती आमे देखिबा बॉटल गोटे वाटर बॉटल एक्सपायरी जेमती रहउची 10 days 20 days 3 months सही बोलिया जदि ताको सही भीतर आमे यूज न करंती we have to lose that. Likely if we first we have to learn these things and then we have to pick up, we have to source the chances. Wherever we have a chance to speak, we should start. Despite having any mistakes. भूल हो भूल सहित जे कहिबो से निश्चित आगो बुझिबो. ओके एइडा होची इंग्लिश पई गोटे हमर सबठारो भलो मेथड. देखिबा आउ गोटे शॉर्ट टेक्निक्स मु आपण मानको पाखरे कहबी हाउ द ब्रोकन सेंटेंसेस you can use in English in order to write, in order to speak, in order to read. How you are getting more confident knowledge. Okay, let me speak you, let me clarify you all those things one by one. Actually we have two methods. One is learning, another is acquisition. Two process, acquisition and learning. What is acquisition and what is learning? It is completely non-official. Acquisition is such a training by which we learn something without taking any burden. आमे रास्ता रे जाउछन alertness always avoids accident. Alertness always avoids accident. आमे देखुछन बारंबार देखुछन रास्ता रे गला बेले ई जिनसटा देखुची बट आमे सेइटू आम ए सिस्टम रे जानिले जे चारिटा वर्ड आमे सिकिले गोटे कंप्लीट सेंटेंस सिकिले. अलर्टनेस ऑलवेज अवॉइड्स एक्सीडेंट, स्पीड थ्रिल्स बट किल्स. फॉन्ट्स पाउडर एडवर्टाइजमेंट देखुचंदी हां आमे सेइटू आमे लर्न करछंदी. फियोर सैंडल एक्सट्रैक्ट्स combines with natural sunscreen to brighten and enhance your natural glow to protect your complexion from the harmful effects of the sun. आमे ए जिनसटा देखिले this process is totally based on acquisition. There is no tension of to face examination. It is non-official. Acquisition is completely non-official. It can be learned through friends and our experience. But in case of learning, it is completely official. एटा को जतबे आमे स्कूल ले we are having learning process that comes under learning. We have to use, we have to know what is the distinction between knowledge and wisdom. We have to learn, we have to take, we have to face the examination. It is from teacher, textbook. This is available everywhere. Exposure, maximum exposure. Acquisition रे आमे maximum exposure. We are doing WhatsApp. We know the terms which are involved with WhatsApp. That may be blog, that may be status, that may be whatever. We are going to learn those words through experiencing. It's quite easy for us. Okay, my dear viewers, this is completely this process we can learn from a drunkard also. कोटे मधुआ जतबेले मद पी दउछ से कहे नै I thank you, can you lend me, can you give me 100 rupees? Without having any education, he could able to speak. So it's a easy one. We just when we are having a chit chat with our friends, with our partner, we may speak English confidently, comfortably. आमे जोटा को कहिबा, आमे जोटा को learn करिबा, that process comes under acquisition. It is no examination. It is no examination, no burden. what we learn, we are enjoying, but in case of learning it is examination. यही मेथड रे हमको ये एक्विजिशन टाक बुझा पड़ो. ये एक्विजिशन ना कौन सी एक्सपोजर ना कौन सी लिमिटेड टेक्स्ट ना anywhere from this YouTube also we have a lot more listening exposures. If you follow this online MB classes, then you can learn this acquisition method, this knowledge, and this knowledge is going to crack you, going to distinguish you from others. Okay, we may follow the news channel, we may follow English news channel, we may follow the anchors. Anywhere we find this process. What we acquired, that requirement, that knowledge is a attachment that becomes attached with us. We can deliver. So let me finish this thing. Acquisition can sustain. Resulted as speaking, reading and writing, that also enhance your personality. What does that mean? That means what we learned before, what was the method of living, what was our standard of living, what we had, now what we have. It is a complete crack from learning process. ओके तो यही मेथड को यही एक्विजिशन और लर्निंग डिस्टिंग्विशन एंड इफ वी फोकस ऑन लिसनिंग स्किल definitely we can speak. So this is a short demo, my dear viewers. We both, our friend, my friend Maheshwar and me, I am trying to deliver you various classes, various vlogging through education, valuable education to you. Also I have also a channel, we have 2 channels. You can subscribe to also Manas Sir EduBlog. You can also find out more videos regarding spoken English, science and mathematics also, and various motivational videos in Odia and English. You can also find out. You may follow both channels. आपण मानकर भल पाइबा, your wishes is just our motto and your satisfaction should be our target. निश्चित भाव में आपण मानकर भल पाइबा को आमे आदरिकी आमे आगे चलुछु. केवल आपण माने आमको जदि आपण को आमर पाठ पढ़ा बा आमर एक्सपीरियंस भल लगुची तो निश्चित भाव में आमको फॉलो करेंगे, केबे भूलिबे नहीं. निश्चित भाव में यही परि भाव में आपण इंग्लिश रो ईच एंड एवरी पार्ट रो वीडियो पाइबे. सो थैंकिंग यू, हैव ए ग्रेट डे, हैप्पी लर्निंग. थैंकिंग यू. प्लीज डू सब्सक्राइब बोथ चैनल्स, ऑनलाइन एमबी क्लासेस एंड मानस सर एजुब्लॉग. थैंकिंग यू, हैव ए ग्रेट डे.